Hello guys, welcome to Carpentry Boys. So now today is a day 3 and you can see how much we done until today, and somehow almost we are done. And you can see there is a every part behind my house, everything is done, and you can come with me, I can show you. So just the door is left, so we will put door in next week, and we are gonna close it after that. Because this open because so we just have left one portion here. So you can see top and bottom rail that we have left because the wood is short. So we will order this one. We have 5 houses done in 2 weeks, and you can see the whole house here. That other side we have left for 6 houses, so we will do it in our next 2 weeks. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much. We are done for this week. So see you in next week, and please like, share, and follow on Instagram and Facebook, and like and comment on a YouTube channel, and you can subscribe also. So thank you so much.
Hold on, sign.